Thank you. We arrived at a resort. Tevyn picked it out.
What?
Tevyn knows how to book stuff.
What?
I make Kiara pay for it because she was being difficult.
What? Lie.
Hello friends and family, and welcome back. It's been a while. So this weekend is our vacation, 3 days, 4 nights. Kiara and I will be staying in Tulum, Mexico at the Dreams Resort and Hotel. It's all inclusive. Everything from the food, the activities, and different sorts of amenities. But first, let's check out our room.
Hello, hello. Welcome to our place for the next 3 nights. 3 nights, 4 days. Come on in, don't be shy. So, as you come into the entrance, immediately, you'll see a bathroom in here. So let's take a quick sneak peek. So here is the bathtub with the jacuzzi. Some lights, I guess, and after the pool, you can hang your clothes. A little bit of window, which is very romantic. Our standard big mirror, 2 sinks, his and hers. Don't fight over. Over here, glass door, we have a regular bathroom. Nothing too fancy, you know. And then you got your phone, I guess in case of an emergency, slip and fall, can't get up on your own. And then over here, you have another shower for those who just wants to wash up very quickly. No need to take a nice long hot bath. But that is the bathroom, pretty spacious. So back to the hallway. Oops. We'll bring it through. So right next to the door, we have a place where we could put our shoes away. So, big party, since it's just Tevyn and I, what, 4 pairs the most, but we will utilize this area. Right next door, we have our little safe lock, iron, extra pillow, and covers. Got some bathrobes. My apologies. And then iron, of course, that looked fresh every day, slippers, and our umbrella. Pretty sure we can't keep it, so he'll probably stay in there. Now that is the entrance. Follow me down. You have a nice big mirrors before you walk out the door. Yeah, make sure you're looking nice and fresh. And this is our main room. A wonderful bed with curtains. Very cute, very nice. Big TV, LG Smart. So right underneath the TV, we have a little area for our drinks, glass, mini bar. We don't really drink a lot of alcohol, but we will enjoy those Fanta. So here's a little drinking area, and then of course your typical storage area. So your little small items. On the bed, we each have our little nightstand. We can order food 24/7. So, you know, late night snacks, yum yum. And then of course we have a phone on the other end. Our do not disturb, we don't have a sign, we actually have a button. All you just have to do is press this button and they don't have to disturb us. So, watch your step. We have a little nice open area here. This is going to be probably where I'm going to spend a lot of time if we are in this room. I claim this to be my book reading space, but say if you got friends over, then they can chill over there. And then from directly across is our little working area. We didn't bring our laptop this time, but if you're a business person, great place to work, study, and of course we have our little balcony, veranda, wherever you come from. So, very easy opening door, very pretty view. So that is our lobby over there. Actually very gorgeous. Woo. I love the way it looks. You like it too, Tevyn?
Yeah.
So right in front of us, we have a little fountain. the iguanas like to hang out, scare people. And then you keep going. It's kind of hard to see from here, but there's actually beach all the way. It's just all the way.
Because this was such a long traveling day, starting at 4 a.m. in the morning in Dallas and arriving at our resort, checking in our room at 4 p.m., we decided to explore the rest of the resort and relax on the beach. Because the following day, we will begin our journey through Tulum, seeing all the different sights. But you'll have to wait for the next video to see that. Stay tuned.